So the basic measurement tools for metal fabrication, um, I would go most with a tape measure. Um, Most of the measurements that we would do would be with a tape measure. Sometimes we would have to have our measurements within a tolerance of a 64th, which isn't always on the tape measure, but you know where it is, right between that 0 and a 16th. But most of the tolerances that we had when welding would be within a 16th of an inch. But being able to read that tape measure to a 16th um, is very critical. Along with the tape measure, we would use a combination square, which is basically a 12-inch rule marked in, it's graduated in 16th of an inch, but it has multiple configurations of a square slide or a center head. So you can make those smaller, more minute adjustments to layout, or even to set it to a specified measurement to carry on down a piece of work. Um, We'd use calipers a fair bit. Most of the time we would use a caliper would be for thickness of material or for measuring bolts, nuts, studs, things like that. We would also use micrometers in the same fashion, more if we were doing work in the machine shop than on the welding floor, but they were still good to have. And then we'd also use a fair bit of thread gauges. And I know there's ways to measure your threads, but sometimes a thread gauge is the one go-to that you can guarantee to double check yourself with your measurements and make sure that you're actually accurate.